Hello everyone, good afternoon, and thank you for being here today as I present to you the Canon SureFit app. I am Jagdish Chittala from Capstone C. Most of us do shopping for clothes online and have felt the pain of not able to order perfectly fitting clothes and have to go through the hassle of returns and we lose valuable time. This is also a pain for retailers as they have to process all the returns and many of the returns are discarded, which cost a huge money for retailers and also involve a lot of resources. We have been working on an innovative job solution for quite some time now, which is the Canon SureFit app to mitigate these pains for online shoppers and online retailers. The value targets for our solution are online shoppers and online retailers. Our solution does biometric data scanning through the cell phone camera and recommends the best optimum fitting clothes from our partner retail stores. This reduces the returns, which is a pain point for a lot of customers and also for retailers who are handling these returns. The app is integrated with the online retail partners and provides the ease of use for customers to easily shop from the app directly, or they can also shop at the online retail store if they prefer to do so. So what you get by using this app is overall better shopping and customer experience, which means happy customers. Happy customers shop more, which increases the sales and which is added revenue for the online retailers. Looking at the demand creation strategy, we are looking for a professionally built website with the internal resources of Canon and also involving outside resources. We are also looking to maintain a high App Store score and positive reviews for SureFit app as generally consumers download apps which are highly rated. We will start the email campaign through the Canon's existing database of customers. We are planning to run social media ads on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and also partner with online influencers. We will initiate guerrilla marketing by making our sales reps creating a buzz at the malls by helping customers uh, to use the app and also navigate through the app. And finally, get the partner retailers going by launching their own media campaigns to promote the app. Now, looking at the optimum solution strategy, what we are looking here is partnering with local universities as this will help speed up the development process. Also involving the web analyst and developers to perform integration with the partnering retailers at an early stage of development. Also working with Canon marketing team to create the buzz, and finally integrating the technology of biometric scanning with Android and Apple platforms. As by increasing the retail sales, we'll be bringing in more sales, and these sales will create more revenues. In order to understand the differential value, I would like to highlight few of the key features of our SureFit app compared to the competing solutions. SureFit app provides the ability to conveniently scan, upload, and store data into the cloud for personal user profile. This profile is basically used while placing the orders. Great fitting clothes can be also ordered for friends and family. Hence, we have also provided the ability to scan and upload data for friends and family. So the consumer has the option to order clothes not only for himself but also for friends and family. So as consumers will be ordering perfectly fitting clothes, there will be a very low return rate and online retailers don't have to throw away or dispose the returned clothing items, which is a huge saving for the online retailers. And finally, with respect to pricing, there is no subscription fee for using this service. Now, next, I would like to take some time to explain how we validated this opportunity. We conducted a conjoint survey with a total of 100 respondents. The conjoint survey is focused on measuring the utility of our biometric scanning solution as compared to the use of sizing charts or basic tape measure. Attributes for this conjoint survey included brand's current solution, which are basically sizing charts and tape measurements compared to our key features and pricing. From the survey, we can see that the price is the most important attribute among all the respondents, which accounts for 19.95%, followed by the ability to order for friends and family, which is around 17.94%. As we do not charge any subscription fee for using the service, and we provide the ability to order clothes for friends and family, the solution has the greatest differential value compared to the next best solution. From the business value perspective, our solution has greater utility than the next best solution compared to the use of sizing charts or using of basic tape measure. The total utility across all attributes for our solution is 291.21. The next best solution, like the sizing chart, is around 17.58, followed by tape measurement, which is around negative 308.79. We can see here that our solution is a clear winner, and 63.32% of the respondents have preferred our solution compared to the next best solution, which is the sizing charts and tape measurements. Next, I would like to go over the business ecosystem and risk mitigation strategies. We conducted a thorough analysis of our business ecosystem and identified our key partners and value chain. We have already identified that the end user, the retail partners, cloud hosting, and the app store are all part of the ecosystem in developing this Canon SureFit app. Canon has its own research and development and is involved in biometric scanning technology and also partners with other R&D partners. Canon already has many apps in the App Store, and these relationships with R&D partners and app developers is already in place. We have also assessed the risk for each component of the ecosystem. Canon is very well resourced and has the proven track record of innovation, and there is a buy-in from the leadership. Hence, we have identified this as a low risk. Research and development partnership and resourcing and also application development capabilities are assessed as low risk, as Canon is poised to take this innovation to the next level with its research and development, scanning expertise, and application development capabilities. We have identified the App Store direct-to-consumer marketing is of moderate risk, as it is very important to ensure the app is highly rated to gain traction and momentum for this solution. We have identified the end customer adoption is of low risk, as we have already covered earlier that there is a strong interest from customers given there is no subscription fee and you can also order for friends and family. Hence, this is of low risk. We have also identified the retail adoption is of high risk, as to have the end customer download and use the app, we need to have sufficient retail participation. We have also identified the web hosting is a proven technology, hence it is of low risk. So the highest risk for the success of our solution is the adoption of technology by clothing retailers on their online platforms. Canon will partner with the online clothing retailers in the development of SureFit app to design the application and integrate with retailers existing size and measurement information already existing on their online platforms. Finally, it is critical when Canon launches this app. Canon need to ensure sufficient retailers are partnered with us. The integration of the technology is completed on the retailer's end, and all the issues of integration are resolved before the early adoption of customers jump in and start using the solution and find value in this solution. Now I will take few minutes to discuss some of the key financial aspects of a SureFit application. Over the next few slides, I will go over the first year financial projections for the Canon SureFit app, like the target profit, pricing, assumptions on which we have based our projections, revenue and cost, and finally the profit projection. We are targeting a range of profit somewhere between 25 and 40% of the gross sales for our first year. Sales revenue of SureFit application will be generated through the combination of subscription fee paid by the retailer partners, as well as commissions on sales driven through the application itself. We will generate revenue based on both subscription fee from the retail partners and commissions on the sales that are generated by the application. The subscription fee is the annual fee, which is based on the size of the total company revenue. The cost of the subscription fee is 0.05% of the company's total revenue. Commissions will be charged on sales generated through the application at 0.01% of the revenue. The licensing and the maintenance fee of 0.05% and commission of 0.01% are not high enough that online retailers would have to raise their costs significantly. We have categorized our retail partners into 3 pricing tiers. The tier 1 is the retailers that generate gross revenue higher than 10 billion annually. Tier 2 customers generate revenue greater than 5 billion but less than 10 billion. And tier 3 partners generate less than 5 billion annually. We anticipate being able to secure 10 retail partners over the course of year 1. We have landed on this tiered approach as a way to segment potential retailers in order to tailor our marketing approach as we reach out to prospective clients. Here you can see the breakdown of our first 10 anticipated retail partners. We are hoping to secure the first 2 tier 1 stores, the Gap and the Macy's, pre-launch. Between the two, they would make up 43% of our first year revenue. They should give us a solid foundation for the year, so it is important that we go after them early. With the Gap and the Macy's and other retailers coming in the first quarter or before, we expect revenues to be growing quarter over quarter. The exception being the second quarter, which is a slight dip as we pivot towards the tier 2 stores as opposed to tier 1. We expect end of quarter 1 with over 27 million and year 1 with over 184 million in total sales revenue. As part of our quarter 1 revenue, we will be onboarding retailers across all the 3 tiers with Gap and Macy's at pre-launch. The others will be acquired throughout year 1. Our total costs for first year are projected to be over 134 million. The bulk of the costs will be direct costs like payroll, benefits, hardware and software, as well as fixed costs. This also includes long-term debt, infrastructure, web hosting, and data storage. Variable cost in year 1 will be around 19.5 million, which is related to sales, advertising, customer service, and research and development. So given our projected first year revenue, little over 184 million, and our projected first year costs are little over 134 million, we are looking at first year profit and above 49 million, which is 26.98% of our sales. That puts our first year profit margin within our target range of 25 to 40%. With this, I would like to conclude my presentation, and next I am open for questions and comments. And thank you for letting me present the Canon SureFit app, which is a great app for consumers, retailers, and definitely for Canon. Thank you.